A working group headed by the Minister of Industry and New Technologies, Issekeshev, arrived in Almaty. Astana's delegation visited the Scientific Center of Anti-Infective Drugs. Recently, this modern research laboratory was accredited by the German Federal Office according to the Good Laboratory Practice Standards. This European standard confirms the high quality of research in the field of drug development. Currently, the center is carrying out the third phase of clinical trials of a new drug against tuberculosis. 2014 is a very important year for industrialization, so it is the last one in the first 5 years and at the same time the transition to a second 5-year period. Therefore, it is important to hold all scheduled events to implement all planned projects. The Almaty pharmaceutical factory named Nobel has completed the renovation of production according to international standards as a part of the industrialization map in 2011. Thanks to Turkish investments, the factory managed to open 2 new workshops, increase its capacity by 50%, and introduce new kinds of medicine. Today, there are about 150 of them. The company also received a GLP certificate. The factory supplies to the domestic market as well as exports product to the CIS countries. This year, the leadership of the country is to start the second project. This implies the creation of a new plant in the industrial zone of the city, where total investment will amount to $75 million. Today, we signed a coordinated action plan for 2014 with the mayor of Almaty. This ensures the implementation of projects and the launch of an industrial zone. The first 10 companies have to start the construction of new plants this year. This includes new tourism projects and the development of innovative clusters based on the innovative technological park. The delegation also paid a visit to Rahat Almaty confectionery factory. Korean investors replaced the former leadership of the company last year. Rahat factory was supported by the state during the first 5-year period and has greatly expanded its business operation. Almaty candies are popular not only in CIS countries, but even in Germany and Afghanistan. Management of the company announced that it plans to increase production and further expand the export potential. Particularly, it is planning to export confectionery to Korea and boost production at the plant in Shymkent. Issekeshev also informed about the creation of an innovation cluster based on the Almaty IT City Information Technological Park with the participation of the leading universities in Almaty.